According to the design drawings, the automatic cutting machine completes the wire cutting. Removal of the outer jacket to expose conductors. Brush cutting weaving machine trims the exposed shielding braid and foil. Use the copper foil wrapping machine to wind the copper foil at the junction of the shield and jacket. Use the wire straightening machine to straighten each wire. Arranges the 8 colored conductors in correct order. Use scissors to trim the sorted wire to be the same length. Insert the wire into the RJ45 T-shaped, and then insert the RJ45 outer cover. Use jack crimping machine to crimp the RJ45 plug. The RJ45 shell and copper foil are crimped together to achieve grounding. Injection mold the inner sheath. Then injection molded PVC sheath. And fasten with screws. Checks for proper crimp, wire order, jacket retention, and shield treatment. Use fluke cable tester continuity to test.